Google's Antigravity IDE is an agent-fast development editor built as a full VS Code fork. If you want to bring Anthropic's Claude Code into Antigravity, so you can run side-by-side file diffs and AI extensions in one place, setting it up takes no time at all. So firstly, you need to grab the official Anthropic extension inside Antigravity editor. So just launch Google Antigravity right here with this application for it. Then you need to press Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows to open up your extensions view as shown on this screenshot. Then in the top search bar, just type Claude Code right here. As you can see, Claude Code for VS Code. That's what you're looking for. And locate the official extension. Don't forget that it has to be by Anthropic right here, as shown here. And just click install by using this blue button right over here. Then you can just link your Anthropic accounts and get your workspace connected. Look at your sidebar activity bar and click new Spark icon. And then you just click login and you will have a browser window open, and then just sign in with your Claude Pro, Max or Anthropic account and authorize permissions. You just go back, open your projects folder, type /init, and Claude will scan your workspace and you're good to go. Enjoy.